In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Samsung Tablet to study. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present suggestions on what to do with your Samsung tablet if you would like to use it primarily for studying. These suggestions will help you achieve a better workflow, and even though you don't need to strictly follow them, you can still get inspiration from them to help you be better. So all that you have to do primarily is to connect a keyboard. This is going to make it much easier to take notes, complete assignments, and of course interact or communicate with others. You have keyboards like these ones officially made by Samsung that you can physically place your tablet into. Something else that these tablets or these keyboards allow you to do is to press the function button alongside the DAX button. DAX is essentially a Windows-like mode, so as you can clearly see from this picture here, it gives you a desktop-like experience. So you have all of your applications as little icons or shortcuts, you have your system tray, you have the options at the bottom left, and essentially it is as if you were using a laptop. This can make it much better to, like I said, take notes, complete assignments, and use it during class. You can use it in conjunctions with applications like Samsung Notes or any other apps that you might use for your studies, which can make it feel much more immersive. So you can also get other attachments such as a Bluetooth mouse or even a Bluetooth keyboard. It doesn't have to be that keyboard case specifically, and an S Pen. So if you have to make illustrations while studying, the S Pen is going to be wonderful for this. It is compatible with the S lines of tablets, and by physically placing it at the back of your tablet, it will connect itself automatically. Then you can use it to make illustrations, which might make learning much better. So with these suggestions, I hope that I have helped you on how to better utilize your Galaxy tablet for study. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung tablet to study. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.